Hi guys. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play the C major scale, your do re mi fa sol la ti do, smoothly, even if you've not played it before in your entire life. With this video, you will be able to play it. Now, let's get right down to it. Um, the C major scale is made up of majorly 8 notes. And how we do it? It's so nice, and you know. So just imagine these are your fingers, right? This There they are. Imagine this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 fingers. Now give them a number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 5. So the formula we will use to play this on the piano here, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is how we will approach it. So take your thumb, this right here, take it. That's your 1, this is your 2. You start on the key of C. C is that white note before C sharp, before these 2 black keys. So wherever you see a 2 black key, not the trio, the 2 black keys, the white key before the 2 black keys is C. Yeah. So we said the formula is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say it after me. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's put our hands here. So you have 1, 2, 3. Now most people, they'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You see that jump? Yeah, don't jump. We are here for you. I'm here for you to teach you proper technique. So you have 1, 2, 3. Now on this 3, you pivot your hands this way. And you start again on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, to do that on 2, let's take it a step further. To do it on 2 octaves. An octave is the distance between one note and the same note repeated again over like 8 notes, but it's an higher register. So this is 1 octave, 2 octaves, 3 octaves. So this is 3 octaves away. So 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 3 octaves. So to do this over 2 octaves, we use this formula: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we pivot. So you won't be using this one that much. You'll be using majorly these fingers. This one, this one, this one, this one. Can you see it? So it will now be 1, 2, 3. You pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. You pivot. 1, 2, 3. So you are pivoting on the 3 and on the 4. So the 3 to repeat the sequence, the 4 to repeat the entire sequence. So remember, for 1 octave is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But for 2 octaves is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now doing it over 3 octaves or 4 octaves, you just keep repeating that formula I gave you guys, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 over all the octaves. So let's take from the right, using the right hand now. Your right hand. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you end it on the 5. You see how nice it is. So Again. Again, one more time. So you just imagine the person does this. Wow. Wow. Remember the formula 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where you're doing it for only one octave. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But over 2 octaves, or 3, or 4, or 5, the formula changes to 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you keep pivoting on the 3 and on the 4. Wow. So now, how do you come downwards when you're, that is just you going up? I don't know whether to leave this up for debate, but you apply the same formula, but I think I would leave it up so that I don't crowd you guys with a lot of information. But note, to do it up the keyboard, it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1 octave, and over 2 octaves, you do this, which is your 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 movement. So let's apply it in a song. I hope this helps you. I seriously hope this helps you. Let's apply it again. Again. See it nicely. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next one. And remember, I've got all this wrapped up in a playlist for you to watch. Just go down right to my videos, to one of my playlists titled Learn How to Play the Piano. I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers.